Did you know there's a bird that can mimic human speech perfectly? Think you can guess which one? Stick around, because today's quiz is going to blow your mind. Here it is. Which bird is known for its ability to mimic sounds, including human speech? A crow, B sparrow, C parrot, D pigeon. Got your answer? Drop it in the comments right now. Let's see who gets it right. I'll give you 3 seconds to decide. Ready? The answer is C parrot. Did you guess right? Here's something cool. Parrots can solve puzzles, recognize colors, and even learn up to 100 words or more. They're social birds who can bond deeply with humans, and they use their feet like hands to grab food. Oh, and some parrots can live up to 80 years. Love quizzes and learning fun facts? Then make sure to smash that like button, hit subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss any of our adventures. See you next time for another exciting quiz. Bye for now.